It's a lower unit, someone ordered off eBay. Hindsight's 2020. We probably should have opened it up when he was here, but we didn't, so we just opened it up. And so that piece is broken off. It was in the box. It was up against that piece of wood right there and padded with that. But this is what we're looking at, and we're getting ready to put on his, and it's lots of goo. I guess that's there for a reason, to seal something up. But when I looked at the pictures of it, I knew it was going to be a pretty bad looking part. It's covered with so many layers of paint, and it's just covering up who knows what. But I can't even tell what they used to paint it. A mop. So this is what was supplied to put on. So we're gonna put it on.